Welcome back to our channel, where we help you enhance your English skills and become a confident communicator. If you're a beginner looking to improve your English, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks that will take your language learning journey to the next level. So, let's get started. Tip number 1, build your vocabulary. One of the key pillars of mastering any language is expanding your vocabulary. Start with everyday words and gradually move on to more complex terms. Write down new words you come across and look up their meanings. Building a strong vocabulary will help you express yourself better. Tip number 2, practice speaking every day. Speaking is an essential part of language learning. Find a language partner or join conversation groups where you can practice speaking English regularly. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, it's all part of the learning process. Tip number 3, immerse yourself in English. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Watch movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos in English. Listen to English podcasts or music. This exposure to the language will help you improve your listening and comprehension skills. Tip number 4, master the basics of grammar. Grammar forms the backbone of any language, including English. Focus on understanding basic grammar rules and practice using them correctly in your writing and speaking. There are plenty of online resources and books available to help you with this. Tip number 5, utilize language learning apps and websites. In this digital age, we have access to a wide range of language learning tools at our fingertips. Install language learning apps like Duolingo or Babbel on your smartphone. Explore websites like English Grammar 101 or BBC Learning English for interactive lessons and exercises. Bonus tip, stay motivated and consistent. Learning a language takes time and effort, so it's important to stay motivated throughout the process. Set realistic goals, track your progress, and reward yourself along the way. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to your goal of English fluency. And that wraps up our video on tips and tricks to improve your English skills. We hope you found these suggestions helpful and feel inspired to take your English learning journey to new heights. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more language learning content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep practicing and never stop learning.